Hey everybody, it's Carrie, your friendly makerspace librarian from the Rapid City Public Library, back with another science short. And today we're going to look at an experiment that shows how density can be the difference between something floating and something sinking. Let's take a look. So we are going to start out with a plastic container of water, and we have filled it all the way up to the very top. And we have made some little Cartesian divers, we're going to call them, out of a straw, the twisty part, so it's all hollow in the inside. And then we've got some little paper clips hanging from it. We got two of those guys. And we are going to put one in our very full jar of water. And because it's hollow, it's going to float right at the top. We're going to screw on that lid, and when I press, it sinks. It changes from floating to sinking. So why does that happen? When I press on the outside of that jar, it changes the pressure inside of that plastic container. And what that does is it forces some water up inside what was hollow in our little Cartesian diver. And what we know from science is water is more dense than air. And something that is more dense is going to sink. And then when I release the pressure on the outside of that jar, it allows the water that was forced in to come out. The air expands and allows our Cartesian diver to be less dense and go back up to the top. Let's check it out one more time here. So now you know a little bit more about what makes you float, what makes you sink, and all the things in between. Thanks for following along, and I hope to see you back next week for another Science Short.